Hi everybody, I'm Lian Duan. Welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we covered Prometheus definition and architecture. Today, we are focused on use Prometheus monitor external Java app JVM. The video related content and command are in GitHub. The link in the video comments below. The video topic is environment setup. What is Prometheus Operator? What is ServiceMonitor? I'll demo create a ServiceMonitor to monitor external Java app JVM, and the latest verify external Java app JVM metrics in Prometheus UI. After we have finished the video, you will have the Prometheus instance that able to monitor a living external Java apps JVM. First topic, environment setup. We need an external Java apps as monitor resource. The video how to add Java ops in Docker, Java apps Docker image, configure Java ops in Java Docker image has a detail how to run in the Java apps with the JMX matrix exporter. You can click the link in the MD file or the link available in the right top corner. The command is running before I'm recording the video. Also, a running Prometheus instance is needed. There is a video use Helm 3 to install Prometheus stack on Minikube in 10 minutes. I already running the command helm install. The chart name is lian-training plus chart name. The namespace is Prometheus. The chart version is 33.0.0. If you have running Prometheus instance, what is installed by Helm chart? Please run helm list plus naming space to check your Prometheus chart version to make sure we are in the same page. If your environment is ready, we can move to second topic. What is Prometheus Operator? Prometheus Operator is a Kubernetes operator. What is Kubernetes Operator? Kubernetes Operator is a Kubernetes specified application that can configure, manage, and optimize other Kubernetes deployments automatically. Kubernetes Operator is implemented as a customer controller. After we know Kubernetes Operator, what is Prometheus Operator? Prometheus Operator is created by CoreOS. The Prometheus Operator can monitor deployment and management of Prometheus instance. Prometheus Operator uses label selector to watch ServiceMonitor. You may have a question, what is ServiceMonitor? Let's go to next topic, ServiceMonitor definition. ServiceMonitor is a customer resource. ServiceMonitor tells Prometheus what Kubernetes service expose metrics and where. It includes service label selector, namespace, path, port, etc. Prometheus Operator automatically generates Prometheus script configuration based on the ServiceMonitor definition. So we don't need to manually change Prometheus.yaml file. The YAML file, external Java app ServiceMonitor.yaml, used in my demo. There's three resources are in the file: service, endpoints, ServiceMonitor. When we create a service resource, Kubernetes will automatically create the same name endpoint. The endpoint is a bridge between the service and the pod. While in my demo, monitor resource is outside Kubernetes, so we have to manually create an endpoint and set up eternal Java Docker instance IP and port in the endpoint. You see the service resource and the endpoint resource has the same metadata, such as name, label, space, ports. There is a right rectangle for the Docker instance IP address. You have to change the IP address to fit your environment. Let's move to the key resource, ServiceMonitor. There is a very important element, labels. There is a right rectangular. Key is release, value is lian-training. If the value incorrect, the Prometheus operator cannot find the ServiceMonitor. There are two commands able to find the label value in your environment. Run kube control get Prometheus plus Prometheus naming space to get your environment Prometheus resource name. Let me remote log into my box and show you. I highlighted my Prometheus instance name and then run command kubectl get Prometheus plus namespace and Prometheus instance name. Output format is YAML. This location for write label value is under the ServiceMonitor selector. Match labels, key is release, value is len-training. After we get correct labels value, their other value should be matched. Port name should be matched service port name, HTTP matrix. Service match label should be matched service metadata label. Also namespace should be matched service namespace. If one item mismatch, you cannot find the target in the Prometheus UI, and there's no any error message in the Prometheus log. We go through the ServiceMonitor YAML file. So next topic, I'll demo how to create ServiceMonitor to monitor external Java app JVM. The YAML file under the MD YAML folder. When you clone the repository to local, you can easily find it. Let me open the folder in my remote box, and then I'll run the command kubectl create -f plus YAML file name. 4 resources are created. After run command, the environment should like this diagram. Step 1. In app namespace, service and endpoint describe external Java app detail, for example, IP address and port. Step 2. ServiceMonitor get external app information from service resource and endpoint. Step 3. Prometheus Operator watch ServiceMonitor if it matched the label. Step 4. If Prometheus Operator finds ServiceMonitor which has a match label, Prometheus Operator generate Prometheus script configuration. In step 5, Prometheus monitor Java JVM matrix. Step 6, we can see the JVM matrix in the Prometheus UI. We are complete from step 1 to step 5. Let's jump to the step 6 as latest topic for today. Verify external Java apps JVM matrix in Prometheus UI. Add port forward command for Prometheus UI. The command is kubectl port forward service / Prometheus service name. Port number is 9090, namespace Prometheus. And then remote login to my box. Login to Prometheus UI. Address is localhost. Port number is 9090. Go to the target. You can see a bunch of targets that are already defined by default. After a few seconds, see my target is here, pure Java app monitor. Detail is match label and the matrix information. If your environment is running slow, the target will take time to run in the target UI. Next, check JVM matrix data. Go to graphic. There's JVM matrix information. We check one of them. The service name is pure Java app. Vendor is Oracle. Major version is 1.8.0. Now, I hope it's easy to monitor external Java apps from Prometheus. From my experience, Prometheus operators working fairness. I highly recommend use it. All topics completed. Today we learned what is Prometheus operator, ServiceMonitor definition, and I demo monitor external Java apps via ServiceMonitor in Prometheus, and verify Java apps JVM matrix in Prometheus UI. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful, and it was. Do not forget to like it. If you want to be notified whenever new videos come out, then subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or something was not clear in the video, please post them in a comment section below, and I'll try to answer. Thank you, and see you in the next video.